What's up, y'all? Tonight, get some fun runs in tonight. It's a nice night. It's boost weather, you feel me? But if y'all new to the family, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. We're about to hit 500 subs. That's just crazy. So the grind don't stop. We still grinding every day. Let's hit that like button, subscribe, and we're gonna get some fun runs, and hopefully it's a good night, success night, etc. Go ahead and show y'all the car. Right here. So nothing changed. Still the same. Shit. Still the same. Nothing changed. Don't mind my chicken. It's because I'm catless. So that's why I let it go. So yeah. So let the car warm up, and I'll pick up the camera when we build with KC, the gas station. Get the ball rolling, man. Should be a good night with no issues. My fault. My music connected to the car, but should be a good night with no issues. It's a nice night, so weather's good. It's boost weather, so it should be a fun night. Let's have a good night tonight. Like, comment, subscribe. We're about to hit 500 subs. 500 subs, bro. That shit is crazy, bro. Crazy, bro. Shout out to every single one of y'all that subscribe to the channel that love this content. Clearly, y'all like the racing content, the car content more than y'all like the other content I used to do, so I'm gonna keep doing it. I got this shit tonight, and then I got a big meet this Sunday. I got a big meet this Sunday, a huge meet. So, like I said, man, it's gonna be a good weekend with a lot of content. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell, and let's keep growing, man. 500, man. The way we going 500, the middle of February, 1,000 for sure by the summer. Let's make that shit happen. So, like, comment, subscribe, man, and enjoy this video. I'll pick up the camera when we go up to the meetup spot, man. Peace. Boy, KC in the building, bro. Oh yeah, that's hard. Z1. It sounds like deep and aggressive. It sounds deep and aggressive. That sounds good. Yeah. It sounds like deep and like aggressive sound.
Taking this up to the body shop. Yeah, sport rings though.
Oh, that'd be like weird.
A baller type rings though.
It's so hard though.
19s probably.
Peanut butter.
You see the
big brakes?
Bro.
Yeah, I saw them. I'm still tripping. This nigga got 415 miles to E, nigga. God damn. I ain't seen that shit since a Honda.
Crazy, bro.
For real.
Nah, this bitch straight though, trust me.
It's premium?
Both.
87 or 93? Shit hard. What you mean, like up to your standards? Like they fat or what? Huh? They fat? They just not cute. Fuck your car, right, nigga. Nah, I'm fucking with you. You wish that was your shit right here. Your big brother.
You got this on camera?
Huh?
You got this on camera?
I did, yeah.
You don't post that.
I'll chop it out. Shut your ass up, nigga.
Fuck you, bitch.
Little bow wow ass nigga.
Little Jerry.
Like I
That's
said.
the wrong. I got the
But it's so hard. SRT, EG. Can't get no runs in, bro. Like, they got the choppers out. I got 2 helicopters out following us. As soon as we got on the highway, there was one undercover explorer fly past us. Man, it's like we can't get no fun runs, bro. We can't get just kick no fucking runs in, bro. Like, shit mad annoying, bro. But we'll keep y'all posted, man. Like, comment, subscribe if y'all like this content. I know y'all clearly do. So I'll keep showing love, man, and then we're gonna figure this out, man. I'm trying to get some fun runs for y'all, man. But I love y'all, man. I appreciate y'all, and let's go, man.
Hey, Eva running that dream. Let's go.
Sheesh. TK for to be crazy. Yeah, it's too hot, man. Too many cops. So we finna call it a night. They had 2 helicopters, but we don't see them no more. So I think they're going to go get refilled or something, get some more gas. But it's too hot. It's too sketchy, man. It's not worth it. But we got to run in though. The homie in the boost, the Pro Charge G37 and Evo 10 are going to get a sneaky run in. So we'll see how that goes. We'll get that footage, man. And like, comment, subscribe. We'll get that footage right now for y'all. So peace. live in a bitch. I ain't gonna count. That shit was live in a bitch. Hey! Come on, come on. And that is it, folks. Time to go. I'll pick up back up when I get close to my side of town, man. This shit crazy, man. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Stay tuned, man. This shit's lit like this every night. Outro, but man, crazy, bro. Like, down bad. Like, probably the most craziest night ever. Like, I don't understand why it's so hot, so hot for these fucking cops. That's why we need to switch. Go to West Park. I don't know why we can't just go to West Park. West Park is the perfect area to get fucking rents in. But anyway, man, if y'all like this video, man, like, comment, subscribe. I got a big car meet Sunday that I'm going to. It's a Forever meet, so it's gonna be huge. It's gonna be a lot of fucking people. It's gonna be packed. So it's gonna be a lit ass fucking video Sunday. Well, I might drop it Sunday afternoon. If not, then I'll definitely drop it Monday morning before I go to work. But yeah, man. So if I like this video, man, like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, man. We're almost at 500 subs. Bro, this dude is literally parking in my fucking spot, bro. Are you serious? Like, comment, subscribe. If you damn, this nigga really parking in my spot. Hold on, bro. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Yeah, like I said, we're almost at 500 subs. I think we're at like 437 or some shit like that. So we should be at 500 within the next few weeks. And my goal is to be at 1,000 by the summer. So I think that's definitely doable the way we're going. But yeah, man, if you're new to the family, like, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends, and hope y'all enjoy this video. And hope you have a great day. And remember, I got another video dropping. I got a meet to go to Sunday. I got that video. I probably won't drop it either Sunday night, if not Sunday night, and for sure Monday morning. So dope shit coming. But this video right here, this one slaps. So hope y'all enjoy this video. And yeah, man, y'all be safe, man. Y'all be easy out here, bro. Peace.